Hello, my name is Nigel Davis, and first I wanted to welcome you to the Study Skills course. And today I just wanted to touch base with you and discuss what are study skills. So I'm give you a basic definition of what study skills are, and I'm also going to go through a very simplistic synopsis of what will be covered in the course. All right, continuing on, let's go into the topic of what is study skills. Basically, you can look at the definition. Study skills is the use of different strategies while learning. And while study skills itself can act as a standalone course, it is primarily used to enhance skills in multiple courses across all curriculums. So in this course, we will cover several areas in which people tend to struggle with certain topics of study skills across multiple curriculums. So now let's talk about some of the actual topics that will be covered in this course that are related to noted deficits learners have that impact them in courses across the curriculum. The first will be learning styles, learning the different styles in which students or learners learn, time management, motivation, working memory, and we'll continue on to the rest of the list, which will also entail procrastination, executive functioning, and also executive dysfunction, which is just a play on the opposite of executive functioning. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope that this gives you a good basis on what will be covered in the course.